Is there a time limit to give opening remarks in a medical malpractice case, in an accident case, or even in a wrongful death trial in the state of New York? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. The answer is no, there's no set definable time limit that the judge gives to the attorneys about how much time they can take in order to give opening remarks at the beginning of the trial. However, at the very beginning, before we actually start, the judge is going to ask each attorney how much time they need in order to give opening remarks. Now, if I were to tell the judge, Your Honor, I need 3 hours to give my opening remarks, the judge is likely going to turn around and say, Counselor, you can do this in half an hour. You don't need 3 hours. And the defense attorney, likewise, is also going to be asked, how much time do you need to give your opening remarks? And if it's wildly unreasonable, the judge is going to put a limit on the amount of time, what he thinks it's appropriate to give an opening remark. Now, here's something interesting. If I turn around and say, Your Honor, I need 45 minutes, I need 50 minutes to give opening remarks, in all likelihood, the defense is going to turn around and say, Judge, I only need 10 minutes to give my opening remarks. During the opening remarks to the jury, what will happen is, after I'm done giving my opening argument, the defense is going to get up and they're going to say something that gives me a little bit of a dig. They're going to turn to the jury and say, Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to be anywhere as near as long as Mr. Oginski. In fact, I'm going to be done in just 10 minutes. So pay attention. So he's going to contrast the fact that he's taking up a shorter amount of their time compared to what I just took up. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process in the state of New York. Nobody provides this information to you, and you won't realize it until you actually go through it. And you're sitting at trial and you're wondering, how much time does this lawyer really have? Does he really need this amount of time in order to present opening arguments? And only then will you develop these questions. But I wanted to present it to you now so that you have a clear understanding of some of the things that go on during the litigation process. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter happened in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd be happy to talk with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a remarkable day.